How to set up Snapchat for kids. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So setting up Snapchat for kids involves making sure that it's safe and age appropriate, as Snapchat is officially for users 13 years and older. Here's how you can set it up with safety in mind. First, you need to go ahead and create an account. Download and install the Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play Store and use a valid email and birthday, which must be 13 plus to sign up. Choose a username that does not reveal the personal info and set privacy to private. Open Snapchat, tap on the profile in the top left, then tap on the gear icon to access settings in the top right. Scroll all the way down, and under privacy control, you will see the option of contact me. Tap on that. Now set it to friends or friends and contact. Under View My Story, you can also select My Friends or Custom to restrict the viewers. You can also turn on Ghost Mode on Snap Map to hide your location and enable the safety features. And use Family Center to monitor your activity if you're a parent. You can also enable safety features by turning on two-factor authentication in settings. You will see the two-factor authentication option between password and partner connections. Go ahead and tap on that and enable two-factor authentication for your profile. And teach the kids not to share personal info or location. You can also manage friends and interactions. Only add people your child knows in real life and regularly review their friends list together. Educate about online safety and talk about appropriate behavior and risk. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.